73 islands between Upper Washington and Victoria Island.
Okay.
I did my research.
Oh, glad you did. There's the ferry.
Well, I was on their visitor site. It was hard not to pick up.
I have no idea what we're going to do here. It's an island. We're just going to cruise around on a trolley.
Yep.
That's what I know. I know nothing else. So we're currently on our ferry on our way over to one of the San Juan Islands. I believe Val said there was like 120 some of them that are in this archipelago. And I don't know if this is one of the smaller boats or the larger one. The smaller one can hold like 141 vehicles and the larger one is like 250. We did not bring our truck over. I think $300 and some for the day to bring our truck over, and it's not worth it. It can stay parked over at the on mainland, and then we're going to use a trolley to get around various places on the island. Are we ready for a big day?
Of course.
Do you know what we're going to do?
Nope.
Neither do I. Pretty sure we're going to walk around the island and ride the trolley. Beyond that, I'm at a loss. And let the race begin. Here we are. Welcome to Friday Harbor.
About the 2 hours. It's easy to spend an hour in there and then an hour at Roche.
Gotcha.
So we drop you off at this time. The trolley will be back 2 hours later at 1:10.
Gotcha.
We ask that you're there about 5 minutes before this posted time to make sure you don't miss your connection.
Sure.
And do you have to leave Friday Harbor by a certain time?
Well, we're going back on the ferry, but
Okay, back to Anacortes.
yeah.
So there, if you're going to take 6:15, that's a little bit too tight of a window there. I think there's a 7:35.
There's a 7:35. Yeah, I have the whole ferry back schedule on my phone. Yeah, I read the whole thing. Ferries don't run on
The
time.
ferry's more likely to once a month.
And not to cut your time close.
Top destinations are like Roche, and then if you like animals, alpaca farm, and then like
Okay.
and then that will bring you back to the town by 6:10 and let you know you just had 2 stops and you get back by 4:10.
Okay.
And then there's after there's no food, drink, or candy on the trolley anymore. And then if you really don't need that, you can on and off the trolley.
Okay.
All right. Welcome to Friday's Crab House. Now, I don't know about you, but we've got to have some Bigfoot hair.
We are having
Bigfoot hair.
my name on here.
So we are on our way back over to the trolley,
The Jolly Trolley.
the Jolly Trolley. We're kind of doing the tourist thing here because we really don't know what to expect, to be honest. But if you've been to the San Juan Islands, drop a note down below and let us know what you liked about it. And we can't cover everything today. We're just at Friday.
No, we're on San Juan Island.
San Juan Island.
We're doing the loop.
We're doing the loop.
Jolly Trolley.
Yes.
Starting at Friday's Harbor.
There you go. So Friday Harbor is located on the San Juan Island, second largest in a chain of 172 islands.
There's one off. I told you 173.
Okay.
Let's see. So we're going to start here.
Yep.
We're We're then gonna go to, they said we're skipping the winery, so we're coming over here to Roche Harbor, and there's a sculpture park that we can, between the two. And then this is the English camp, and then the county park, the state park and lighthouse. And then you come back.
Okay. Now,
Hang on to those tickets. If you get off, you gotta have them.
gotta have them to get back on.
Yeah. My name is Rick. I'm your trolley driver. We're not leaving actually for another 10 minutes.
Okay.
This old trolley you're riding on probably has about 1 million miles of chassis, but it's reworked many times. And it's loud and slow.
Board, cleaned and resurfaced. The floor is also original. We did install a blackboard to make it look like an authentic school.
So we are now hiking up to the mausoleum on a little dirt path in the woods. So these are unmarked graves. Well, some of them. This one's, here's one, 1891. Huh. The whole area all up here is all unmarked graves, or maybe not necessarily all unmarked, but there's a lot of graves up here. If you're like most people, when you go to work or I guess go shopping or whatever, you hop in the car. But these folks don't. They hop in the airplane right there.
Yep.
And they park the planes right behind their house. And then when they leave the island, they just hop on the plane and off they go. They have a little runway right here. The San Juan, I suppose they call it the San Juan Airport. Yellow tops. Roche Harbor Trails. I'm ready to find it here. We don't really know where we're going. We're just walking. Oh, there's more stores over here. The Quarryman Hall. This is called the Company Store. Oh, lots of wine. All kinds of stuff. Yeah. Thank you. This is the donut place. Do we have to check it out? Yeah, this sounds like the place for us.
One more time. Sometimes you have to like tap it in a certain way and then
There we go. Got
Famous
it.
donuts. Which donuts are the best?
most people like the like maple or chocolate.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you. Right here's fine. Okay. So Val and I are talking about the fact that we're full-time traveling now, and that's part of the reason why we're here. If we had not started our full-time travels, we would never know. Actually, we'd probably never even think of the San Juan Islands because we'd never heard of them.
Correct.
So this whole thing is new to us. It appears to be a very popular place, which is one of the great advantages that we have to being full-time travelers, is we can now find these places and explore them and meet new people, and you just don't see this stuff if you're just going a couple weeks at a time here and there. Full-time travel allows you to go to so many more places and see so many things that you wouldn't see otherwise. Really, really a huge plus for us that we're doing full-time travel. Here she is. She's bringing our food. I was watching you walk around saying, she'll find us eventually.
Just wanted to know what to
Yeah. What did you get? You got, is that chicken? Fish? Fish. I saw chicken and almost got that.
Nope. It's the fish something basket. I got it before we came
This
over
is-
chowder.
So I did the, what do they call it? LKC burger with some fries. And I'm hoping we beef off it.
We're back to donuts. What are you gonna get, sweetie?
I'm doing one chocolate and one cinnamon.
I'll do a maple and a vanilla sprinkle.
Yeah, look at that. Which one, cinnamon or chocolate? Which one? Good donut. These are large lockers, but here is the post office. So now we're gonna go check out the ice cream.
see if they really have 72
72
flavors.
flavors of ice cream. So we'll check it out and see what they have. 72 flavors of ice cream.
Thank you.
Thank you. Move out of line. So, you got cinnamon brown sugar, and what was the other one? Huckleberry. Huckleberry cheesecake. I got cinnamon brown sugar and some strawberry. So there's strawberry and cinnamon brown sugar.
Yeah.
So we're walking down, I don't think I'd call this the main street, but it's kinda, isn't it?
It's A Street.
It's A Street. Call it A Street. Lots of different types of little bars and wine places and t-shirt places. What's this place? This looks like a grocery store. Oh yeah, King's Market.
Like a real live grocery.
That's a real grocery store. Checking stuff out. And getting a little walking in after eating way too much food. Yeah, so look at that. We have an Ace Hardware, and we actually have 2 Union 76 gas stations. There's one here, we got one down there. But yeah, even got an Ace Hardware. Now we've koala poop, cow poop, dung beetle poop, sloth poop, panda poop, elephant poop, poop bingo. So, if you're not all pooped out, you could play bingo. Poop bingo. I asked him what he's reading, but neither one of them would say a word. On the way back over to Finland.
The following message is an important safety announcement.
Whew. I don't know about you guys, but I'm wore out after all that walking and hiking, and then we tried out all the different kinds of food, and it's just been a busy day here on the island. But we're back on our ferry on our way back to the mainland now. But we've had a good day. I hope you guys had a good time too. Thanks for coming along with us. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you hit that subscribe button and the like button too, if you would. And we'd enjoy to bring some more videos to you in the future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.